Did you upload an Instagram story, but you realized that you forgot to mention someone? Then I'm going to show you the easiest way of mentioning someone after you upload that story. So follow the steps in this video. First of all, consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful Instagram tutorials like this one. I'm going to open the Instagram app and then create a new story just as an example for this video. I'll select this summer photo, I'll add some text and so on, and then I'll hit the Add to Story or Your Story button in order to upload this. But let's say I forgot to mention a friend, a family member, or someone else. Don't worry. All you have to do is to wait for the story to upload, open it, and then you're going to tap on this little @ button that's called Mention. This will show us a list of people which we can mention. So just search for that person which you want to tag. And that's it. The other person will get a notification in their messages that they have been tagged, so they can repost that story if they want to. Thanks a lot for watching this video, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.